Hello everyone. I'm Teacher Fink. Today, we will learn about greenhouse effect and global warming. You ready? Before we will discuss further, let me tell you the following objectives. Content standard: the learners demonstrate an understanding of the different phenomena that occur in the atmosphere. Performance standard: the learners shall be able to analyze the advantage of the location of the Philippines in relation to the climate, weather, and seasons. Unpack learning competencies. Identify some human activities that affect the atmosphere. Describe greenhouse effect and global warming. In our previous lesson, you have learned about the different layers of the atmosphere. In which layer of the atmosphere keeps the Earth's surface warm? The ozone layer. Very good, it's warm. How does the Earth's surface get warm? What is greenhouse effect? How does it affect the Earth's atmosphere? Greenhouse effect is the process by which radiation from the planet's atmosphere warms the planet's surface to a temperature above what it would be without its atmosphere. Greenhouse gases play a vital role in keeping the Earth's surface warm. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs, and other gases, present in the ozone layer, traps the energy coming from the sun, thus, keeping the Earth's surface warm. What will happen if there will be too much accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere? Global warming occurs. That's right. Global warming is the gradual or slow increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. What are some human activities that affect the Earth's atmosphere? How does it contribute to global warming? First we have, cutting down of trees or deforestation. Many of our forests nowadays are destroyed due to illegal logging. Without trees, nothing will help in reducing the amount of carbon footprints in the atmosphere naturally. With these, higher temperature occurs as well as floods. Next is, burning of garbages. In doing so, you are just adding up the greenhouse gases that contributes to global warming, such as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, the product of incomplete combustion. Then we have, burning of fossil fuels. Smoke coming from factories greatly affect the Earth's atmosphere due to emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, water vapor and other gases that make the Earth's atmosphere warmer than its average temperature. Then, we have, too much usage of gadgets and electricity. When you use gadgets and electricity, you actually add up to the heat energy released to the atmosphere. Much more if you use it abusively. Next up, is means of transportation. Hashtag, smoke belching. Still burning of fossil fuels. The smoke coming from vehicles contain two of greenhouse gases that affect the Earth's surface, namely carbon dioxide, which is the main cause of global warming, and carbon monoxide, the product of incomplete combustion. We have, the use of products with chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs. These greenhouse gases heats up the Earth's surface and were also the main cause of ozone depletion and ozone hole. When these will be released to the atmosphere and undergo decomposition, the chlorine molecules will bind to the oxygen present in the ozone gas that makes up the ozone layer. When this happens, the ozone becomes depleted, and as it continues to happen, ozone hole is observed. The following are some effects of global warming. Extreme weather events. Melting of glaciers resulting to sea level rise. Floods. Drought. Too much heat that results in higher evaporation and surface drying. It's not over until it's over. Let us join hand in hand in saving our Mother Earth. As its caretakers, let us start doing something in our own little way to save it. Because small actions make a big difference. Now, let us have a summary of what we have learned for today's lesson. Greenhouse effect is the process by which radiation coming from the sun is being trapped by greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere, thus, keeping surface warm. Global warming is the gradual or slow increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. The main cause of global warming are the greenhouse gases caused by anthropogenic activities or man-made activities such as deforestation, burning of garbages, burning of fossil fuels, using CFCs, etc. Now, let us check your understanding. 1. Blank is the process by which radiation coming from the sun is being trapped by greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere, thus, keeping the Earth's surface warm. A. Global warming. B. Greenhouse effect. C. Ozone depletion. D. Deforestation. And the correct answer is letter B, greenhouse effect. That's right. 2. What phenomenon is referred to as the gradual or slow increase in the average temperature of the Earth's surface? A. Global warming. B. Greenhouse effect. C. Ozone depletion. D. Deforestation. The correct answer is letter A, global warming. 3. Specifically, in which layer of the atmosphere does greenhouse effect happen? A. Stratosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Ozone layer. The correct answer is letter D, ozone layer. Very good. 4. Which of the following is not an example of man-made activities that affects the Earth's surface? A. Burning of fossil fuels. B. Reforestation. C. Burning of garbages. D. Using air conditioner. The correct answer is letter B, reforestation. 5. Of all the greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere, which one is the main cause of global warming? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Methane. D. CFCs. The correct answer is letter A, carbon dioxide. Were you able to get all of the answers correctly? Very good. Now, let us apply your understanding. Suppose you are a writer for a magazine. Select one audience that you prefer. Discuss ways on how you are going to conserve resources and how to prevent or minimize their contribution to global warming. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have learned something out from the discussion and apply it to your everyday lives. See you.